Could come in here. Sure he can. Okay, so I have a 2000 red 2-liter new Beetle, and right now it just has the stock shift lever, but I got the Audi TT shifter lever from Euro Tuning. Great service. It came in less than a week, and it was about $73 with tax, and it comes with the new shift cable end and stuff, so it's cool. So it'll shorten the forward to backward shift, which will be nice. I just have to put it in, I've never done anything mechanical on my car, so if I can do this, you can do this. Okay, so as you can see, I took out the battery and the airbox to kind of give me a lot of room to work, although a lot of people have said that you don't need to do either, which I think is true, but you're gonna need some good tools, and don't be like me and assume you have a 13mm socket at your house, because I did, and I was messing around with all these sockets that don't fit for a while, and I probably could have saved myself a lot of time if I just went out and got 13 and a 10, just because 10 is the other one that's pretty common in here, it seems. It's the little wrench that comes with your like the tire changing kit in your trunk has a 13 and a 10mm end, but it's not much use down there with this little wrench, so I got a 6-inch extender, no homo, and yeah, I mean, good investment. So first off, to get your airbox out, my mechanic sucks, so for some reason these little gaskets failed me, so I didn't have to take out these bolts or anything, but you gotta squeeze this clamp. I used a vice thing. I pinched it around these. It goes on here, and you gotta squeeze it, but you can't do it with your fingers. So you squeeze that, then it pops out of there. Gotta pop this off, unplug this, and basically it just kind of pulls out of there. And then for the battery, you got 1, 2, 3 bolts, and the one on the bottom there has this thing on it, so you gotta get all the way off to take this piece off. And then I disconnected, the connectors for the battery. So I just took everything out. But I know for a lot of you this is probably a bunch of obvious ass shit, blah blah. Put your turbos in there or whatever. But you all gotta start somewhere, so I try to be thorough. So anyway, now what we have to do is get this guy out and put this in. And there's a good I downloaded a PDF instructional thing on how to do it that should be pretty helpful. And if I mess up right now, it'll be a little embarrassing, but you'll know that's why the scene cut. Okay, I'm really terrified. I said something about you put a 13mm open wrench in here to pry off the shift cable ends or something. Some crazy shit like that. I don't really know.
So you gotta read that shit.
I gotta read that shit. Jolston.
Oh man.
I'll get that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, step 3, get your laptop
Yeah.
and start looking at other people. That's how you do it. You gotta look at other people. And the person before you looked at somebody else. And that guy looked at somebody else. All the way until you get to the guy that did it first. He's just kind of smart.
Or he worked for the company that made it. Alright. So,
As you can see on the screen that you can't.
no, I'll just put the link in the box.
Oh man, you don't got a forward door. I was about to sit down. I was about to reach for the door handle.
Oh, alright then. You know. I'm getting there. Oh shit.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm just pulling stuff and...
You really don't know what you're doing?
It's trying to do.
You know what you're doing, but you ain't doing it.
You could say that. Sorry.
Don't say sorry to me. You gotta apologize to your viewers. Sorry. You don't even know that, you over here smacking them in the face.
All your viewers are gonna be Japanese, Nigel.
What?
All your viewers are gonna be Japanese.
So you're just saying it's stuck on that,
Yeah.
pretty much?
I don't think so, man.
It is.
I think you're forgetting something. That's definitely not stuck.
Oh, dude.
Look under the car.
Are you kidding me? Look at this.
Yeah, I know.
Look at this, dude.
What?
What is this attached
but
to?
it doesn't... That doesn't come off.
Well, then you're fucked.
No.
Because look,
Justin,
look, look.
shut up and listen.
Should have recorded that.
Got that motherfucker.
What'd you do?
I took it out when you weren't filming. I'll do it again. I'll do it again.
Honestly, you just keep doing it up and down. And eventually, it comes free.
It's like, oh, and it came out.
I can't handle it anymore.
All right, this stuff was mad good. Definitely needed this. Get slip and slide.
WD Fitty.
Okay, so now take a look at the two pieces next to each other. To be honest, I don't really know what the hell is the difference. I think... No, I have no clue. They look exactly the same. If they do exactly the same thing, I'll kill somebody.
It could be exactly.
It's longer, B.
Yeah, this one...
No, it's not.
No,
You can
that's
see-
gonna get coiled anyways.
No, you see this? Yeah, that's not that. If you can see, it doesn't look like much difference from here, but here, when you put them next to each other like that, the point is moved in a lot, and that makes it shorter, the shift.
Oh, very smart.
Now we got this bad boy in there. I think it'd be a good idea for like the profanity to like bleep it out with like a air wrench noise, like That'd be funny.
Yeah, too late for that.
Now come on, this up a little bit.
Fuck that, yo. It's metal. It's chugging that shit in there.
Alright, so basically...
Why don't you use that gang profanity on the ground? Huh? Why don't to use that.
Yeah. It is so caked on.
Very important. Must clean with mother dish rag.
Yeah. Always use your mom's dish towels. Nothing else works. Sorry. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Alright, I'm gonna take this right here. And I'm gonna slide it. Okay, and you gotta put these clips back on the rails there. Alright. Get it right. Get that.
Listen.
Okay, up in there. You see the clips are on it. Alright. Get in there, motherfucker. No, that doesn't help. Alright. Come on. There we go. Alright. This ugly. I kinda wanna spray this with, fuck it. Put that back on there. Get our handy dandy 13mm socket wrench. Now it's in there, but you have to. I never understood what people were talking about when they said this stuff, but you gotta adjust these where on the shifter links you want them. So, well, for now I'll just see. You gotta see where all the gears are at. See where to start. See where the gears are at. It's a lot shorter, definitely. Okay, so first, third, and fifth are going there. They're not good yet, but second, no, fourth works, but it's kind of weird. No, I guess they do work, but they're not nice, so it kind of just, yeah, reverse doesn't seem to want to go either.
Just had a ladybug on its bug.
Really?
It's a good sign. Means you do it right.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yo, Nigel, let's put a wrap on this so I can go. Oh, I've been recording that whole time.
Alright, so basically adjusted the shift linkage best I could. Hopefully I'll notice how short it is more when I'm driving. I mean, it's only a 20% reduction in terms of shift length, so I might have to get back to you on if it was worth it, because I'm a little too exhausted to maybe be appreciative. But at least you know how to do it now. So